Good morning, everybody. How's everybody's week gone? I hope it's been fulfilled, you've hit your targets, and you've actually enjoyed some dry weather. Friday, I got soaked in the last half hour, literally. I just had the right tiny little bit to do. Soaked. And that just was like, oh, you know what I mean? It would have been like nearly a full week of being dry, to be honest with you. If you're new to this channel, if you'd like to give us a follow, give us a subscribe, a like button, and hit the bell and set it to all notifications, you'll get a video when I post a new video. We tend to do daily vlogs. Sometimes they do miss a day due to kids' activities on a night time and stuff like that. But we tend to do daily vlogs, and then we'll do like a weekend vlog, just on how his week's been, sort of thing. So if you'd like to do that, it's hugely appreciated. And also, we don't pester you with emails, it just helps the community grow. So give us a subscribe, bros. So this week, Monday and Tuesday, Oliver and Tom were on their own. I went in, but they started off building the Yorkshire stone wall, the final Yorkshire stone wall, let's say, down on the lawn at the far side as you walk down the stairs. They had to literally put the mix on at the top, pour it into the barrow, shovel it out of the barrow, pass it down into the next barrow, down onto the lawn, because the area is like this. So, 2 tiers. So they did that. Cracked on as well. Let's just say cracked on. We've been getting a Yorkshire stone from Bradford, up in Idle, and the stone, it's so nice. Honestly, it's like they're not just giving you same size ones; they're giving you all sorts of crap in a way. But you can make crap look good. You know what I mean? But they have done amazing this week. Amazing. I ended up coming in on Wednesday. I started on top of the stairs, and I linked the stairs to the patio. Now, them steps, I'm so happy with them, honestly. I've worked it out. So there were 226 mil all the way, each step, 226 mil, every step. The top step, 230 mil. I was like, it's 4 mil out. Can't complain at that, can you? What can you do? You know what I mean? Brilliant. I loved it. So that finishes that corner off for the patio and the stairs, obviously. But then I did the copings. We had like half an hour to go. I was like, you know what? Get me another mix on, because this is how I feel. I'm passionate about what I do, and if I think, oh, there's half an hour to go, just pack tools up and go, you've got that to do tomorrow. So if you just spend half an hour, just get us another mix on, mate. Bring it down, bang, they're on. Literally half an hour, put these copings on. It's a bonus, and it works, and it shows later on. On that last day, so this Tuesday coming for us, if we finish at 1 o'clock, we wouldn't have finished at 1, because I've had to put them copings on a later date. It'd have pushed us on. Bonuses for me. That's how I see it. But yeah, we put the copings on there, and then the coping on the existing retaining wall that's there. I ended up building the end. We were going to get Tom to do it, but I was like, while I'm here, I might as well do it. And I built the end of the wall. And that was Thursday. So Friday, I ended up grinding out. Just seeing which way I'm going here. I ended up grinding out a section of the patio, jet washed it down, and then pulled the sofas that way, grinded out the next area, pulled the sunbeds that way, and then off we go. Jet washing it, obviously. But the colours that have come out are amazing, honestly. They are like, we've been there since the 5th of January, so we've been there 5 to 6 weeks, on and off, weather-wise, not really done a full week here or there, but obviously with dust and stuff, And then it rains every night. It rains literally every day at the minute. And now seeing it getting jet washed out in stages like this, it's amazing. Honestly, I'm just so happy with it. I'm so happy with it. And that's what it's about, I think. Having pride in your work, for you to then pass that emotion back on to your client and seeing their face and go, wow, I can feel it now. You know what I mean? That is what my work's about. Rather than going in and going, have the next man, right, go, bang, 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 bang to the next client. But every client is getting annoyed at you. It's just, that's not how I work. That's not recommendation, is it? You know, they're not going to pass your number on. So I work on pride for myself and seeing their emotion while I'm there. That's the main thing for me. So yeah, guys, that is it really for this week. Today, I'm quoting at 10 o'clock. I've got to go, it's 8:30 now. I've got to go drop some posts off. Other week, bought 6 posts, totally wrong posts. I bought timber slotted, and they should have been just plain 90mm timbers for posts. And then we ended up getting to site, realising they were wrong posts, and then I had to go out and buy some more posts. So I'm taking these back 2 weeks later. So they should take them back, they should be fine. So I'm running into Bradford now to get rid of these, and then I've got to go all the way to the other side of Leeds, like Oakwood area, and then go quote there, and then over to Kirkstall, quote, and then somehow get to my physio for like 11:30. I think I'll be alright, but we'll see. So guys, I hope everybody has had a nice week. I hope everyone's going to have a lovely, relaxing weekend, because we have got nothing on this weekend. We're going to chill out, not spend a penny, hopefully. And then I'll see you all on Monday, 8 o'clock sharp.